Hi, Assalamualaikum. So today me and my friends are going to present about our project assignment for the subject data structure and algorithm. Before we start, I'm gonna introduce myself and my group member. My name is Syarif Badi bin Muhammad Yazid and my group member is Nurul Fatihah binti Azmi. So we moving on to the next slide. Okay, Fatihah.
For this slide, I will explain the introduction of application title and description. In this project, um, for project assignment, we choose the Spotify application, and the title is implementation of linked list in Spotify. For the description, linked list is a sequence data structure which connect element called node through link. Node in a linked list are connected by pointer. Linked lists are null terminating, which means whenever the pointer to next node is null when the list has reached the end. And linked list method that we are going to use in this code are skip, play next, and add. Next slide. For the next slide, this is a Spotify application interface. Next. Okay. Um, in this slide, how the application works. For this slide, I will for this slide I will explain three application operation. First, skip back or forward, and second, play next track, and third is add to playlist. Next slide. In this slide, I can explain the function of three application operation. In storage pattern that influence linked list in Spotify application. First, skip back or forward. Each node in double linked list has a pointer, the previous and next node. It functions as forward or backward functionality. And second, play next track. The pointer to the next node also make it quite easy to start the next track when current track is over. And the third, add to playlist. Add new playlist, which is new element, and 01 operation. And next slide. In this slide is skip back or forward function. I will explain the function of skip back or forward. For the skip back or forward button, Spotify implement the double linked list method in its application. It is more useful than single linked list, as each note or song contain a reference to the previous note and next note, as long as they are not the head or tail node. It is because each node has a value property. Next. For the play next track, in Spotify application also implements single linked list, meaning that it can be traversed in only one direction from head to the next node. In Spotify, the pointer to the next node also make it quite easy to start the next track when a track is over. Next. For the second, um, application operation is add to playlist. In Spotify application, user can add new note after the tail in the playlist. For example, user need to add any song to the playlist, the new song note and will be added as new tail in the last. For the next slide, I will pass to Syarul Ibadi.
So I'm going to explain about the running time and the efficiency of the algorithm. So for the third point, we choose only one operation, which is to play the last song or the skip back or forward function. So for the running time, we add the 10 songs, actually 10 songs in the linked list, in the waiting list. So based on the codes here, you can see that the output that we have is the O. For the big O notation is ON, which is the result is constant for the linked list operation. So for the conclude the findings for the algorithm efficiency is inserting an element to the end of the list involves traversing the whole list and then creating a new node and adjusting the previous node address for the next node. The algorithm involve traversal of the linked list till its end. So the time complexity required is ON. For the fourth point is the collection class and the interface use. So this is the function for the skip back or forward function operation that we use in our code. The play next track button and add any song to the playlist function. So Fatia, for the conclusion and summary.
For the conclusion and summary, the Spotify apps application is use linked list in its operation to add music to playlist and play next track and skip back or forward. And second, big O notation are used to measure the efficiency of linked list implementation. And last, the running time algorithm for this application is ON. So that's all for me.
That's all from us. Thank you.